I'll be unboxing 5 copies of the Red Velvet birthday trading cards. It's been a while since I've done a video, but it's been really hectic in my personal life. So I set aside some time to open these up to make a quick video. And these were mailed to my house like, I don't know, like a week ago. Here I am, and I'll open these up right now. So the first one, okay, so it looks like we get kind of like a concept trading card and a selfie trading card. So the first one is Wendy. Looks like that's how it looks. The concept trading card looks like that. So there's our first set of trading cards. Next, if you want to take a look at the label. I think I should do it this way. Yeah, so backside is up. Concept trading card, Irene. And I believe I already have the Irene trading cards, but to get your own pull is always the best. Ooh, selfie card is Joy with the infamous pink diesel dress. Now the third one. It's exciting how Red Velvet's gonna have their first concert in like 3 years. It's only gonna be like 1 or 2 nights in Korea, but it seems like with all the stuff that's going on with SM, it's kind of up in the air about the veteran group's future. So we as fans, we as lovies, we could at least see the online stream if you can't make it in person. And the third pull is for the concept trading card. We got a Silgi. So it looks like we have pretty much all the members in some form already. Selfie trading card, Irene. If I remember correctly, I think there's 2 versions of the selfie cards, but it's cool that we got all members in some way. Okay, now the fourth copy, the fourth set. Wendy. Selfie card. Oh, the other Irene. So it looks like I have a duplicate of these cards. And last but not least, for the 5th set of trading cards, the last concept trading card is Irene again. Selfie card. Oh, Irene again. So it looks like I have multiples. And that was my unboxing of Red Velvet birthday trading cards.